Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to do a BUNT 50k pack opening. It's my second video since my screen recorder hasn't been working. And then I'm also going to upload another video later today. Alright, it's taking a long time to load. Alright, here we go. First pack. Opening a free agent 40 pack. It's taking a long time to load. Freddie Galvis, Jonathan Shoup, Micah Johnson, Garrett Richards, and Nick. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Alright, I'm gonna open Future of the Franchise. Earlier today, Archives was out, but I couldn't buy any packs because then it sold out. Francisco Cervelli. R.J. Alvarez, Neil Walker, Starlin Castro, and Marco Estrada. Now I'm going to open up Payoff Pitch. Chris Capuano, Jose Bautista, David Robertson, A.J. Burnett, Robinson Cano. There's a glitch because I opened 2 packs at once apparently. David Phelps, Alex Gordon, Jake Marisnick, Tuffy Gozwich, and Mark Burley. I'm going to open a Future of the Franchise. Jimmy Bonds, Marcus Stroman, Phil Hughes, Nolan Arenado, and Wade Davis. Alright, now I'm going to open up Tilt Over. Danny Santana red, Pablo Sandoval, Anthony Rizzo, Corey Hart, and Rizal Iglesias. I'm going to open one more till it's over. Kyle Lobstein, Tom Poehler, Carlos Santana, Giancarlo Stanton, Jay Bruce. I'll buy one BUNT 206. No, why not buy a free agent 40 actually? Johnny Murphy, Jonathan Lucroy, Kenny Shepherds, Lauren Flores, and Joismeo Pinto. I'm going to open a Heart of the Order. Goins, Ryan Rue, Dilson Herrera, and John Jaso. Alright, so that's the pack opening. Hope you liked it. Comment and subscribe for more. Bye.